Can you teach anyone to invest and make a success in the stock market? Here's an experiment that I'm doing with family members. And you'd expect me to, given my background in investing and having written about it. You'd think, well, surely your family would just follow whatever you say, or maybe you manage it for them. Well, I certainly don't manage it for them, because that'd be a pain to manage different people's accounts and all the rest of it. Sometimes they've asked me in the past, can't you just do it for me? Well, how am I supposed to do that? You've got your own tax bills and ways of doing it. I'm not going to monitor your accounts. I mean, don't get me wrong. I used to, as a kid, when the privatizations were happening in the 1980s, I'd take 1,000 here, 1,000 there, and fill the forms in for them. But it was always going in their account, in their name, just me filling in the forms for them and not charging a fee for it, I should add. So what about now? What's the experiment? So what we did was, with the Great Investments Program, we took different model portfolios that we were planning to use for the clients. And this is the important thing. I wouldn't feed anybody something I wouldn't eat myself or feed my own family. So I took members of the extended family. So put my son and wife, obviously immediate family, to one side, and the portfolios that we create for them. So uncles and aunts. So with each one, give them a different model based upon, I mean, they'd accept anything anyway, and I've told them it's for the longer term. But for somebody who says to me, somebody who's a bit older, aunt who's in her 70s, lower drawdown, a little bit more in cash. And then the younger one likes to take a bit more risk. She's in Dubai, just spent the weekend at the Straits of Hormuz. She says, just drive on the road and UAE along the strait. Anyway, that one can have it for a longer period of time. And so her model will be different. Now you might say, well, you're not teaching them. You're just feeding them. You're giving them a model. Yeah, because 90% of people want the cake made for them. They want to buy the ready-made cake. They might watch Bake Off and know the recipe and the ingredients. But what we discovered is actually most people, they get the recipe, they get the ingredients, they couldn't care less. They don't want to put the recipe and the ingredients together to make their own cake or their own portfolio. They want a ready-made one. And those who think they want to cook soon realize, bloody hell, the flour and it's a mess. Alpesh, can you just give us a ready-made portfolio? So we give them a ready-made portfolio, which they control. We don't have access to their accounts. So I don't want access to their accounts. I don't want access to anybody's accounts. A pain in the arse. They control, they make the decisions. They might decide to follow it by the letter, or they might not. They might say, well, actually, no, I want a bit more of this, a bit less of this, a bit of this, and we'll run the numbers for them for that as well. So can you teach anybody? Well, yes, if what you're actually doing them is explaining to them why that cake is going to taste good, what it looks like, cut it open, show the composition and say, look, it'll move like this. If, and the past is not a guarantee of the future, if the past roughly estimates the future, then it will move like this, it should do this, but please make the mistake. Don't make the mistake, rather, of panicking or getting bored. And this is the kind of cake I think you'll like, because it's not too sweet. For instance, if you're in your 70s, the equivalent of a portfolio it is one way it's not got too much sugar in it. Okay, so think of sugar as volatility and excess growth and something that's going to make you go, woo. In your 70s, you don't want one which is going to do that. So, there'll be a cake for them, a portfolio for them, and one for the 40s, 50s, actually more than one. Because some people say, well, I just don't like hazelnuts or whatever on my cake, or marzipan, Microsoft, or whatever it is. I don't want too much tech. I want a UK company. I want European ones. So you've got to make it bespoke, but you're making the cake to order, as it were. And educating them that this is what it does. Now, some people want a thin layer of education. Others then realize, oh my God, I love this. So anyway, can you teach anyone? Well, I'll keep you posted. But given that they're not having to do much, I think it's an experiment that's going to do really well and going to work very well. So follow for more on this. But yeah, I expect this is going to work rather well.